What's up, fam? What a guana? Welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, family. Because even if you are new and you're visiting for the first time, you are part of this family. Yes, say, me I look at name for call, I me not know yet. Can't comment below and tell me two name when me can call, The channel name a Glimpse of Jamaica, but me can't call, Glimpse. Why me not even know, but, give me one name, so when me come and me say, what a one, the Glimpse squad. Me not know if that sound good, me want one name for you, Anyway, that not really where me come about, but it kind of just say, boy, me need one name for call, because although the channel new, boy, me have some of the most faithful subscribers as me put out something, boom, on the on it, and me love it, me love it, me love it. So, me I go reward, me know say, I'm my family, and me want call, by name. So, anyway, if you're not subscribed yet, just hop on down and just touch the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss none of the video them. And like and share. Alright, family. The one me come back to with. Why? Amidst all we are going, people we still mourn the loss of Tamara Geddes, yes. Because it just stand out, because we can't believe say people could have so wicked, moreover family. Yes. So Tamara still fresh in our mind. I don't know when Jamaicans are gonna stop talk about it. But guess what, our family? Me get fi understand our one little news a circulate say, and not Tamara alone. Then they plan for take out. Alright? Word on the street is that Tamara niece did go to them. They plan for take out fear, for turn off fear light to yes. Then they plan for kill Tamara niece too. But make me back up a little bit. When the news did first emerge, said Tamara dead. New in the same news. The report was that them lose a brother last year. I think it was by stabbing. Me no so sure so. No come for me if I know that kill him. But then saying then they dead and then stab him, kill him. Well, since Tamara dead, whispering a go on pan the ground say the same sister Nadine did take out the brother. Because why people come to that conclusion? That's because of some whispering about insurance money and rare, and it sound like Nadine coming contact with the insurance money there. So people feel say as she take him out too. Me no know if I saw it go, but I saw me here. Because as me did tell you in our previous video, the father dead left the house for the whole of them. But it look like Nadine decided, say, boy, I me wanna go get the house, But anyway, back to the story now, when me really come figure, is that the brother were dead. For him daughter say, our auntie, that is Nadine, did invite her to come down at the house the Friday, the same Friday when Tamara dead. The auntie Nadine call the brother daughter, tell her to come down at the house. But the picnic say she never go because her father, we dead, dream her and tell her say she no fi go. Alright. Me no know. Where uno think? Uno believe say dead people can't talk to uno? Boy, me no know. Because me and my granny was the closest thing. Me did love her dearly. My granny dead. I wanna know, say every day me a pray her and I say, boy, mama, you can't come give me lot of number them. And I know she not come give me them. So me no know. Me no know if dead people talk to you. If they talk, uno tell me down below. I if you don't have any experience, so no can't relate it. But anyway, me I go play one tape, one voice note where I go around, say the niece put it out. Me no know if it's the niece because me no know if a man have no daughter. Me no know her. Me no know if I fear her voice. But it is alleged that is the dead man, that is Nadine Geddes' brother who dead, of him daughter dep on the tape. So me I go play it, make uno hear. And uno can take what uno want from it and uno can decide for yourself. Alright? So hear the tape.
Hello people, this is the daughter of Tamara Geddes. He died December 17, about 7 months ago. I just want to say that I can't believe that my Auntie Nadine Geddes has done her horrible thing to her sister, my Aunt Tamara Geddes. And it's just like we all have to bear pains. And this is taking my grandparents through horrible pain, sorrows, darkness, madness. It is very hard to concentrate to know that Nadine Geddes really did something like that. The night before, I got a call from my Auntie Nadine Geddes that I should come and visit. But I didn't go because the same night my dad dreamed to me and told me not to go. Jesus. This is really horrible to believe that this is too much precious for me and my family, and also Amelia, my cousin. Tamara Geddes is the daughter. She is 10 years old. When I got the call that my aunt was killed by a gun, and I have paused for a minute and then burst out with a loud cry. I sit up all night wondering who would have done a horrible thing like that to my nice, loving aunt, Tamara Geddes. And I just want to say the last thing. Jesus. Dad, I know you're not here, but I want to thank you for all the good things you have done for me. And I want to pray for my auntie Tamara Geddes that you rest in peace, and for also being there for your daughter. I miss you, Nanny and Auntie. Goodbye, people. Please share my story.
Alright. Now that you no listen to it tape, uno tell me what uno think. Because if I really saw it go, my God, me hope then throw the whole book for Nadine, because once mad, not supposed to wicked so. She must have twin because she one can't wicked so. Yes, brother, so it look like she did want take out her niece with her sister, so that she one end up with all of the goods where daddy dead left. Bye, family. That one here I rock my brain. Cause me I try to wonder. Then I way them could have did do she so. Why she feels that she have to wipe out everybody? Why me no know if a wickedness or a craven. But whichever one it is, me just hope the law deal with her and then put her away for a long time. Boy, me never know if putting her away I go make people feel good, but I saw the law go. So bless upon yourself and take care until me push out the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to touch the subscribe button. Peace out.